Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So it wasn't just gold yesterday that was potentially hitting another record high. We've seen silver as well on the metal market really dominant in a lot of traders' forecasts, and it's hitting another 14-year high silver. We just wanted to see now on the weekly chart that I've got on silver, just as I said, just hitting prices that we haven't seen since 2011, and with gold this morning just creeping up to a record high. It's been quite a week of dominance for the metal market, and we're just seeing now with the Fed's easing prospects in mind, the trade wars still going on, and obviously all the other uncertainties around the world. We're just seeing now that the dollar has taken a back step. Metal markets are really in full force, and if we just look on the gold chart from a 4-hour chart intraday perspective, as you can see here, we have finally topped this 3,500 from the morning, just creeping a little bit higher, a few dollars higher before retracing slightly. So let's zoom in on the areas of interest now, because we're just seeing price action, as I said, taking a little bit of a step back, but that was normal. It wasn't going to carry on being so bullish. But from last week, like we reported yesterday, over $100 in value being added in just such a short space of time. The only concern now is we're getting a slight small bearish divergence on the RSI. So this could, as I said, bring prices a little bit downwards, but the 3,500 handle will be the psychological level that a lot of traders will be hoping, especially bullish traders, will be hoping that we not only break again, but eclipse as well, so we can move up towards, people are already saying 4,000 by the end of the year, but we'll have to wait and see. Obviously, the Fed is going to have a lot to say about that in the next few weeks when it has its meeting at the potential rate cuts, because Donald Trump, the president, has really been pushing Jerome Powell to start cutting rates sooner rather than later, and more than one this year. But obviously, like you've seen for the majority of the year, the Fed has really been holding back on the pressurized movements from the White House. We've got NFP job data this week as well, which should give us a signal of where the American economy is going, and then we can put that into the pricing of gold as well. Let's just take a look on the silver market. We reported on gold yesterday quite significantly because it was creeping up towards the record high. Now it's hit it, so it was quite a good prediction. Silver as well, very, very bullish, not really seeing any slowdown, going above the 40 area. And as I said, a little bit like a psychological zone for gold, 3,500. Silver as well at 40 is looking likely that we could see not only a confirmation break, but an extended, prolonged rally as well. So where do you think the metal markets are going? Do you think there is sustainability in moving higher, or is it a correction around the corner? There's so many factors, as I said, geopolitical tensions, trade wars, the Fed, so many things pushing the metal market higher. We'll have to wait and see if we're going to have any slowdown and any time to take a breath, because it's still a monumentous challenge that gold and silver can keep on pushing higher. A little bit like gold, just to leave you on this, is that we are very overbought on the RSI, so expect a little bit of a pullback, a little bit of a bearish divergence coming into play, and then we'll see if that keeps on going throughout the rest of this month. And we can look forward to the Fed's decision, not so far to go now. So thank you very much for joining me once again. We'll bring you all the latest in the technicals and fundamentals as they come. So stick with us, stay ahead, trade responsibly, and we'll speak again next time. Bye for now.